for me, this was a big night for the Duterte camp. As much
Mhm.
as I know happy yung mga pink supporters,
Mm.
progressive supporters, I think this was much more of a victory for the Duterte camp than anyone else. And that's going to shape itong issue ng ICC, Bato, warrant of arrest potentially, not to mention the 2028 race,
Mm.
which
Yeah.
very much still, it looks like Sara Duterte is going to be the strong candidate for that as we
Mm.
speak.
Pero itong sinasabi mo, maganda yung sinasabi mo na grand coalition eh. Magre-reflect din kaya yan, aside from itong impeachment ni VP, ano, magre-reflect din kaya yan dun sa legislative agenda, dun sa mga isusulong ng administrasyon, or even eventually yung drafting ng susunod na budget.
Oh, absolutely. I mean,
Mm.
actually, one of the interesting thing na napansin natin is, marami nagsabi na if si Mayor Lenny, by the way,
Mhm.
congratulations kay VP Lenny, Mayor Lenny, if Mayor Lenny nag-endorse dun sa mga ibang candidates na medyo mas maaga and forceful, Abalos,
Mm. Mm.
Pacquiao, you know what I'm saying, maybe even Binay, who knows, baka mas maganda yung performance nila. Kasi kung titingnan mo, mga 1 million lang siguro kailangan ng mga iba dyan para matapatan si Amy Marcos eh.
Mhm.
So,
Mhm.
so hindi nangyari yung tactical voting or
Mm.
tactical alliance sa aking palagay. So mukhang hindi nakinig yung
Mm.
yung base as much as it should have dun sa basically sinasabi ni Ma'am Lenny, which is, yes, alam ko hindi nyo kandidato si Pacquiao or Abalos, pero alam natin pagdating sa mga mahalagang issue na malapit
Mm.
sa puso natin, eventually they're gonna err on the side of, the right side of history.